Hello, bonjour, good day everyone, it's Desi. So here today we're doing the fat freezer. This you can buy online or at Walgreens, I think. And it comes with the strap that wraps around you, the freezer unit itself, a nutritional guide, and some glycerin pads, as well as the cord unit that hooks it up, the AC adapter. So let's get into it. So you're gonna take your cords and make sure you get the end. I have an outlet right behind me. I'm not going to plug it in just a second, but we are going to turn the cords around so that the end that plugs into the fat freezer is by me. Freezer glycerin pads. Now I'm doing my stomach. We're going to go ahead and you're supposed to like lay down, but I'm in my craft circle right now that I'm only sitting on the ground. So this is not by any means, I don't know if you'd say like by any means, I guess somebody really, really skinny would say I'm fat. But, I mean, it's just, like, solid, though. Like, my top abs are still there, which is just awesome. So, like, but this bottom here is, like, glycerin pads. Like I said, it looks just like a baby wipe. Wait, unfold the thing completely. Yes, it's too big. Now, they also say on their website that if you're going to do your stomach, they recommend doing it in 3 sections. I don't even have 3 sections worth of stomach to like cover. We're just gonna go with what normal people would do, which is just as much of the stomach as possible and go right for the problem area. So my belt, I'm gonna strap one side because you got to get it around you, right? So like I said, this, I don't want to like be not PG-13 here, so like let's keep it like very family. On the tummy goes this. Okay, this is going directly over la glycerin pad. Okay, actually I want to move it over just a slight, so I'm going to move the glycerin pad with it. Now, green is on top, silvery parts on the bottom, white is exposed. We are so far Gucci. So, you want it snug, okay? You want those fat cells dead, don't you? They're not just chilling up there with your epidermis, okay? It's in there. So you need to press this thing so that it's firm against your skin and can penetrate the cold as deep as the fat is. So, say goodbye to all this fat in 4 weeks. Oh my goodness. So, you're going to take the end and plug it into the wall first, I think. Yep, we're going to plug it into the wall first before we plug it into the bottom. Okay, it is plugged into the wall. Okay, it is loud. I forgot to mention the most terrible part of this. It's extremely loud, and since it is connected to a cord, and there is no other option to not have it on a cord that I know of, you should pee before you do this, or anything that's an obligation whatsoever, because especially if you're gonna do the 60-minute, you can't just get up and leave it running, and your cold has to, it's got to do its job. It's got to penetrate and get cold enough, and if you move and take it off and do all this stuff, you're ruining your chances of freezing any fat cells. So pee, eat. Like I said, I nested like a genius, like I always do, and I'm just like keep everything you need near you and hope that nobody knocks on the door or somebody screams your name because you're busy freezing fat away. Sorry. Take and plug it in to the bottom of this thing. Okay. I have Law & Order SVU on. Got my laptop by me. I've got... Alright guys, I'm going to just grab this and just show you exactly where it's at. So I have it. You can see the glycerin pad on all sides. We are going to press the 60 and do this. Okay, it's gonna be loud, but don't worry, after this, after you hear it, I'm gonna mute it for you guys so you don't have to experience this. Oh, I guess it's not that loud. Oh, it's cold. Damn, if my rhyme was a drug, I could sell it by the gram. Keep my composure when they time to cut loose. Magnetized by the hype when I kick my juice. If there was a problem, yo, I solve it. Check out the hook when my DJ revolve it. Ice, ice, Desi. Dun, 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 dun. Ice, ice, Desi. Dun, 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 dun. So this is like how it looks. It's a little red. You can see here it's cold, very, very cold to the touch. So in 4 weeks, these fat cells that did freeze, which should be some of them, will be passed through my body, depleted and gone. And I'm going to be looking bikini ready in December. Watch out, Lake Michigan. I'm going bikini ice skating, swimming. Stay cool, stay cool. Stay cool. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't, then you're going to miss some fun content, some reviews that are honest and unbiased and unsponsored and unfiltered and absolutely 100% the truth. You're going to miss that. You're going to miss the fact that I will soon be announcing what my 1,000 follower challenge is going to be. Like, what's the big surprise? If I reach 1,000 subscribers, what is in it for you, right? Don't worry, I'm working it up. And I'll tell you guys in an upcoming video. Prizes, cash, traveling. These are all things that I am considering giving away when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So, have your friends add me. Have your grandma add me. Just, let's do it. Subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be annoyed by notifications of when I upload, which is like once or twice a week. So, you could do that too. Ding, ding. And it has been a pleasure. Sayonara, y'all.